Good morning. How are you all? Having long vacation? Hmm. Today it is the first day of the school, and for the first time on the first day you are not present at the school. The school is missing you, the teachers are missing you, and I also miss you. But due to this new pandemic situation, it is not possible for us that we meet face to face. And it seems that this period is going to be a bit longer, which we have to face. So now it is a time that we have to be adjusted. We have to get ourselves adjusted with this new normal, where the teachers will be working either from the school or from home, and you, the students, will be all the time at home. So I think this is the first time that your parents will be happy to hand you over the mobiles, right? Till this time, though, all the time you were told that mobile is not good for you. You are supposed to be away from mobiles, and you have to go to play, and you have to be with the kid, your friends, and you have to attend the school. But this is for the first time that this technology is going to be a boon for us. It is going to be a great friend to all of us. So we are going to make maximum advantage of it. So now it would quite always happen that the teachers will be either taking your live sessions via Zoom, or if you go for another software through that, or they will be recording their videos in the school, in your classrooms, taking the lectures on board, and they will be recording it, and that recorded videos will be sent to you according to a particular timetable. So you have got your self responsibility now, that you have to be your own monitor, you have to be your own teacher, you have to be on your own homework checker. All the time you are supposed to take care of yourself regarding your homework and classwork and attention and focus, concentration, everything. And I know that you are not going to lag behind in that. I know that. During this long vacation, during this unprecedented situation, we have learned a lot many things. Do you know what you have learned during this time? You have learned to be patient. You have learned to be self-sufficient. You have learned to be contented. If you have noticed, during this period you have never demanded any new things from your parents. You know the situation, and whatever things you are having at home, you are dealing with it. You don't demand so aggressively from your parents for any of the things. You haven't visited restaurant for a long period. You haven't gone to watch movies in the theaters. You haven't gone for outings on the hill station or any destinations. Still you are happy. So it shows that the materialistic things actually do not matter in our life as much as we think they are important. You have learned to help your mother at home in her household works. That is again a life skill that you have learned. You have learned how to be at good time, how to spend good time with family members, being at home only. So we have learned, we have to try to take out those things very positively, which actually did not have any presence or any importance, significance in our life earlier, before 3 months. Along with that, now you have to take care of your studies, because it is not possible that during this all the period you are just be away from your studies, you be away from your books. So now there is one more thing that you have to learn, that is called self-study. Before 3 months you were all dependent on on your school teachers or on the tuition teachers for all the subjects to be learned. You could learn the things only after they were taught to you. But now, just having a few notes and guidance, you have to start working yourself. You have to start reading the chapters on your own and study according to that. So, we will work together. Your teachers will be take care of your academics and even non-academics. And you will be working from home and supporting the teachers in answer. Very soon you will be given a small timetable where each and every day, according to your timetable, the recorded videos will be sent to you. You have to go through the videos, we have to go through the notes, we have to make the notes in your own notebooks, read the chapters, do the exercise, and even upload them in the student zone in your respective classes and standards and mediums. We have to get adjusted ourselves with this new normal. We hope that, we pray and wish to the God that this situation, it gets improved, it gets better, and we can once again be together with each other and spend that happiest time that we used to spend in our school. With that, I close this session. We will very soon meet once again with again a story. You know that I know that you are again want to hear the stories that we used to experience in our assemblies. So, as far as possible, we are going to make this new situation as usual as it was in the school time. It will take time, but we are going to do it. So, a very good morning once again. Welcome to the new session and have a good day. See you all soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.